So we have three categories of teachers who teach French, who teach Hindi, and who teach English. 48, 80, and 144 in number respectively. Now find the minimum number of rooms required if each room the same number of teachers are seated. Okay, so in each room we have the same numbers of teachers being seated, and all of them are going to be of the same subject. Okay, so basically what we have to do here is imagine if I tell that let the room capacity be 1. Okay, so we'll be requiring 48 such rooms for French, so 80 and 144 respectively, so we'll add them up. But then we have to find the minimum number of rooms. So now if we increase it by 2, like if we increase it to 2, so then it reduces. So basically, if little bit we understand, we have to analyze, we have to find the highest common factor. So let us find the highest common factor. So 48, 80 and 144. So 2, so this becomes 24, this is 40, this is 72. Again 2, this is 12, 20, 36. And then again 2 is going to be 6, 10, 18. 2 again, so it's going to be 3, 5 and 9. So what is the HCF? So it's 2 to the power 4, basically it is 16. So in each room 16 teachers must be there. So therefore now the French, how much for the French teachers, how many rooms they require? They require 3 rooms. So 48 divided by 16, which is equal to 3. And we can see here, this is the quotient. For Hindi we require 5 rooms, and for the English we require 9 rooms. So therefore total we require 9 plus 5 plus 3, which is 14 plus 3, which is 17 rooms. So therefore 17 is going to be the answer.